said you go and I go with you. You preach the gospel and I preach with you. Lord, if I go, won't you tell me what to say? 'Cause they won't believe on me. Oh, no. They won't believe on me. They won't believe on me.
Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to do a little rundown on where this quail and rabbit hut is. You can see I've got some boards laying around on here. Some that I got from the store, some more that I got off a construction site. But I got these few different projects, so I'm going to extend into a bigger duck section of the coop off the back. I think is where I was going to go with it. Finish this. Okay, yeah, here in the back, over here is the greenhouse. So here's my other idea, is to come off the greenhouse and build this little room on the side of it. And I put my sister's wood burning stove in there. That it's kind of the guy that was living at her house took it out of my sister's house and threw it outside. It got a little rusty, but it's still fine. So I think I grab it and put it to use, at least, you know. Let's see. See, here's all this lumber I picked up from a construction site. So to finish my quail and rabbit hut, I know I'm gonna put some boards in the middle. I still, so you can see, across the top. I had to go across the top. I got an old roof off a house that I was thinking about trying, that my dad built a long time ago. But I'm gonna have to see how that goes still on the roof. I'd rather get like I got on the chicken coop over there, the plastic ripply stuff. But the door will go up just fine there. It pretty much goes right in. So as you can see, I'll have to cut it. I'll be cutting it on the bottom, probably a little on the top. I'll have to see how that goes. There you go. So we'll come in the door. There'll be rabbits. Now I put this right in my way, so let's see if we can go like that. Okay, so should be enough for at least 4 to 6 different rabbit cages in here. Come through the door here and into the quails. Now you look up here on the quail deal. Got this middle board. I'm going to put some more boards up here, and I'm going to use the smaller 1-inch chicken wire, and then I'm going to get some more hard wire, especially for the roof and the bottom edge, so try and get extra protection. What I want to do here is I want to put the little quail box right in here. All right, so they can go in this quail box, and I'd like for the box to actually go inside here. I know this is in the way, but I'd like it to go inside so that there's actually a little area inside this house too. But so you have a hole to get in here and then a hole to get in there. Just trying to think of all the different ways to get protection and extra warmth and such like that. Now the idea is, when I get the chicken wire on down here, I want to get the chicken wire on and then get the chicken wire to come out. And then when I got a lot of little ponds and trenches and swells and stuff that I'm going to be digging in the yard, so I'm just going to just transfer dirt off and on over here and stack this dirt at least up a little ways on the bigger board, so that, you know, whatever, hopefully every little thing will help protect them, is what I'm hoping. And I'll be kind of doing something similar with the outside of the rabbit thing here. And so there you have it. You can get a wide angle view over here. What's going on? So there it is. Quail and rabbit hut, doodad, doohickey, majigger, whatchamacallit, something or another. All in one package. Hopefully that makes the quail and the rabbit happy and works out and then keeps them safe, and I can have ways of keeping it warm, blocking the wind with plastic and tarps during colder times of the year, and all these little things. Hopefully I got them figured out. I've got thoughts in my head, a plan anyway. We'll see what happens. All right. Check you later, YouTube.